Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI. Are you on the lookout for your next pop of color piece to add to your wardrobe this season? Well, I was looking for an easy fit, versatile top, and I absolutely found it with this one from KARIN. Now, technically, it's a tank top. It has a little bit of an unusual sleeve size or shape. Like there's a tiny cap sleeve on one side and more of a tank top sleeve on the other. So it's not uniform, which really adds to the beauty of this top, in my opinion. And the neckline is kind of also asymmetrical with a little bit of material gathered at the top, which really adds interest to the top itself. I feel like this is the kind of top that you're going to reach for again and again. The red color is beautiful. It really pops. So it's going to bring color to any outfit, whether it's a casual outfit, whether it's more dressy, if you have to add a jacket or a sweater on top of this, it goes well really with anything because it's versatility. So whether you're looking for a beautiful new pop of color piece for your wardrobe, dressy or casual, or whether you're just looking for a tank top with a little bit of style, you're gonna get it with this top. Both of those things will be met because it has this really lovely neckline, unusual, asymmetrical, different sleeves on either side, and the fit is true to size. I am wearing a large. I think it fits well, and it is a very flattering top. So not only is the color beautiful, but the top is unusual and it's going to go with a lot of different pieces in my wardrobe. I'm very happy with it, and that is my point of view.